What's up, everybody? Miss T here. With some Resident Evil 2 in the background. You know? I got this Legendary Collection 2 and the dual cam ears Game Boy Edition. It's the first Yu-Gi-Oh box or whatever you want to call it opening ever in the first ever one in the new house. Excited, boy?
Yeah.
He's gonna help or jack off in the corner. I don't know what he's gonna do.
Yeah, I'm here. How's it going? I'm just busy.
Yeah, you're always busy. You're always fucking busy. Hey, I said fuck, but YouTube, I don't give a fuck. I said fuck. Deal with it. Freedom of speech.
He's gonna be swearing on his video.
Yep, don't like it. YouTube can fucking sue me. Okay, here's a promo pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mega packs. Mega packs. Jinxie owe me a fucking soda.
You owe me a fucking soda, dude.
You got all the characters right there. No, I don't know why it's Yugioh on there, but there's a lot of characters on there.
I thought this video might actually like hot spot it up on the Xbox One.
Okay, so which one should I open first?
Going.
I'll open this first. I'll open this first because why not? I'll just open it because you've always seen the first card. Let's see what it is. Let's get this out of the way. I'll show the Game Boy after this. Show the cards. I'll put this in the background, kinda. Okay. Here's the Rebel Lord of Filamentus. Yugioh Lord of Sharon Flames. Why is it so for this guy?
I have no idea. Yeah, this is the full version of it.
Helman Lord of Strike Thunder. Dark Lord Azimudos. Dark Lord Superball. Dark Lord Eli Uri. Cyber Larva. Lion Alligator. Spawn Alligator. Mental Hero Great Tornado. Primal World Vision. Dragonotic Tactics. And Court of Justice. Okay.
Alright, get the packs.
Okay, pick your packs. Okay, get the packs.
Let me pick. Yeah, let's make it fun. Alright.
Yeah, let's make it fun.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, the extra one will do last. You pick 2. One at a time. I pick 2, you pick 2.
Okay.
So you get the better cards.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want me to pick first? Or?
Last one we'll just put there. Who wants to go first? You want to go first?
I'll go. You know, since I went first, you go first.
I don't know if I'm in here, but
You're in it.
Dude, your screen is like so dark. Oh my god.
I still see it, so.
Ooh, I got Elemental Hero Clayman, Elemental Hero Necros, Hero Ring, Darkness Destroyer. Ooh, Cyber Dragon? I already got one of the good cards, dude. With a Hollow, Terraform Gravity, Emergency Call, the 6 Samurai, Elemental Wild Edge, dude. I think I made a good pick on this pack. I got the. Let's see if we can meet the Cyber Dragon.
Okay, I'll go second. Here, let me.
I already got a good card, dude. I got a good card.
I got 6 Samurai Zunji, Ancient Scene Rainbow Units, DD Kuro, Banisher of the Remnants, Elemental Hero Chaos Neos,
Oh, I like that.
Gala Beast Wate, 6 Samurai Arrow, Crystal Ageki, Destiny Hero Blade Master.
Dude, you got a lot of heroes stuff.
Yeah, guess I can make a hero deck.
Like Jaden from Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. Neon Space Airman, another Elemental Clayman, Judgment Dragon, Elemental Phoenix Empress, oh, a Meteor, Gallus the Star, Magical Mallet, and Elemental Sparkman, Elemental Inferno. Dude, the Cyber Dragon, those are like the 2 best cards I got. Let's see if he can beat them. I got 2, so you got...
Crystal Petal. I think he is. Crystal Neos is my best one. Destiny Hero Doom Lord. Spark Blaster.
Spark Blaster!
Venom the Queen of Poisonous Snakes. Skyscraper 2 Hero City with that nice rarity right there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Cyber Phoenix. Crystals Abundance. D-Spirit. Mazak.
Okay, you think got the better cards.
Alright. I got the... Nothing in them.
What do you think?
Who got the better cards? Me or him? Comment down below.
Who won? Whoever lost at the hot pot.
Whoever lost, I don't know what happened. Something just happens. Who cares?
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
Yep.
Comment.
Just comment which one who won.
Here's the last pack. Elemental Prisma, Hero Bound, Elemental Terraformia, oh, a Synchro, Dark End Dragon, Rainbow Dragon? Oh my god, dude, that right there is legend. Elemental Hero, Steam Healer, that guy, Gray Squirmer, the single Captain Tenacious. Yeah, there you go. Good, save peace, man. That's all your cards.
Oh, that's the cards, and here's the board.
Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh! GX flexing on them, dude.
Here's, can't really see it, but kinda can see it, but it happens. I like this dragon right here, man.
This lighter?
I think it's not Slyther, but it looks like Slyther, but I don't know what exactly.
It's lighter. It's just a different version of the gods. A redesign.
Well, that's the first ever box / pack opening, whatever you call it, ever. In the first new house. More videos coming your way from me. Subscribe to Gay Boy over here, Brock Kavanaugh.
Yes, the channel name is Brock Kavanaugh.
Yeah. Well, now for outro.